family tree is a wonderful starting point to develop kids' relationship with family and the interest, skills, and knowledge they have as a result of those relationships. A family tree is a fun and educational way to introduce kids to history because it gives them a personal connection. Here I am sharing 3 reasons why a family tree is important for your children. First, it gives kids an interest in history. Second, it gives kids an interest in their own background. When kids learn about their own family tree, it helps them understand more about who they are. Third, it helps them remember people who are important to the family. Making a family tree really helps your children to understand basic relation, blood relation, and introduction to family relation. This way you can make kids project very interesting. So without delay,
let's get started.
first of all select proper right branch of tree. Then cut it and make it perfect. Then we are painting it with white acrylic color. Then select any container as a pot and color it according to your choice. Now cut heart shape from craft paper. You can make any designs of your choice, or either you can write any thoughts which are inspirational. Here we are doing kids friendly designs and keeping it very simple yet very pretty. Here pot for family tree is ready. Here we have divided circles into different colors to understand maternal and paternal relation very easy for kids. Here red is for paternal relationship, yellow is for maternal relationship, and white is for kids. And now punch it to hang it properly. Now tie it with thread of your choice. Now ask your child to write name and paste photo. You can add more information like birth date, birthplace will help them to understand better. Now it's time to decorate your family tree. See, we made very easy to understand maternal and paternal relation by different colors. Our super simple yet beautiful family tree is ready. Keep it in your room as decorative piece and let your kid feel good vibes. That they are blessed with such amazing family members around them. birthday or birthplace also.
The forever with me because I love my family.
Hope you like this super simple family tree. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.